Countries and what they love. Music, USA. India. Football, Brazil. Technology, Japan. USA. Spices, India. Tea, China. Sports, USA. Books, Finland. Games, drop your answer in the comments. In Chicago. Arts, Britain, London. In New York. Arts, Sun Streets. In Canada. Arts, Yale University. In Paris, France. In my village. Money terms, fixed job payment, salary, sales percentage, commission, extra work reward, bonus, partial payments, installments, money spent, expense, business income, revenue, advance payments, deposits. What do you think charity money will be called? Drop your answers in the comments.